guys. So I know we're all sort of stuck home right now and it really sucks. So I'm gonna take this lovely little bit of free time that I have to show you guys how I find my spots and sort of how I see light and how even at, the 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now, you can see it's really bright behind me here. So even at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, how I find my light and how I can shoot newborns outside any time of the day. So I have my great little bucket and my fake baby head, and I'm gonna go walk around and show you guys how I find my light. So I'm just gonna start with a little walk through here of my front yard. Right now my front planter is sadly not ready for photos. One day it will be. And right now it's about 2 in the afternoon, so it is way, way, way too bright to actually shoot anything out in the open. This is my front porch, which I probably will shoot one here in a little bit because this is one of my favorite spots. I just sort of rearrange my plants a little bit. All right, so I think I found my spot. I'm just like a block over from my house, barely. Next lot over. And I found this lovely little spot behind me. It's got some really cool muscadine grapevines. They grow wild out here. And an acacia tree, and I really like just all the green on the ground, and some of the brown dead leaves actually add a lot of really cool texture. So I'm gonna set up and let you guys see. And here's our sweet little baby. Nice and set up, all in the pretty vines. There's a little dappled light behind her, but I really like that. Oh, her. It's my awesome doll. So that, if you can imagine, would normally be a cute little baby. And even at 2 in the afternoon, you can still find really nice areas. And if you're shooting with a low aperture, most of that background is going to be blurred out. So you really don't have to worry too much about some of the dead leaves and the vines, and the dappling of light adds really nice texture back there. All right, thanks for joining me, and hopefully I'll get to do another one of these at one of my actual locations once we're, allowed to leave our house.